Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna jacket potato. Preheat the oven to high heat and scrub the potato clean. Prick the skin several times with a fork and rub with oil and salt. Bake until skin is crisp and interior is fluffy, about 1 hour depending on size. While the potato cooks, prepare the tuna filling so everything comes together hot and ready to serve. Once your potato is clean, prick it repeatedly so steam can escape and the interior cooks evenly. Coat the skin lightly with oil and a sprinkling of coarse salt to boost crispiness and flavor. Place the potato directly on the oven rack for even heat circulation and bake without wrapping to keep the skin dry. Rotate once mid-bake if needed to get a uniform crust and tender center throughout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is perfect for freshening your car after grocery runs with tuna and potatoes, and it smells great while you drive home. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. While the potato is baking, mix drained tuna with mayonnaise or Greek yogurt to reach your preferred creaminess. Fold in chopped celery and red onion for crunch, then add a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Season with salt, pepper, and a little smoked paprika or chili flakes for warmth. Taste and adjust, then keep chilled until the potato is split and ready to be generously filled and served hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.